Oops, you gotta watch it like you do with the other one.
Good job. That was good. No, you don't want it to really go.
You're doing okay. Watch the ball. You got it. It's hard to hit. There you go.
That was really high.
Yeah, that went really far. That's why we gotta be really careful.
It was really high.
We gotta be really careful. We don't swing too big.
Ooh, that was pretty good. Try again.
You don't want to swing too hard. Where you spin around. Nathan, turn a little bit. Nathan, there you go.
But the driver's hard too. That's the hardest club to hit there, buddy. Nice shot.
That was a really high one.
Yeah, we gotta be really careful now.
I'll go get it.
Okay, bring him back.
Go ahead. We'll hit that one. Oops.
Can I go get things?
You're what?
Things that the ball can
Well, no, because we'll use those when we go to the driving range. We don't want to do those in the backyard because we don't want to take out anybody's windows. Okay.